you showed master item, no?
Yeah, correct.
How did we create master items, sir?
So master item we are creating on the basis of invoice organization. So the prerequisite to create any master item is that we will have to have the inventory organization. Okay. So after
Okay, sir.
creating the inventory organization, what we did is that basically we navigated to master item creation, and from there we picked the master, I mean inventory organization that we created. And on top of that, we created our organization where we gave the list of parameters like for inventory, purchasing, and order management. And then we assigned this particular item to different organization. So since we had only 1 hour, so we attached only for this particular inventory are called BOS.
Sir, today morning session it is full purely finance based only, no?
Yeah, yes. I mean, it is kind of an mix-up because I wanted to show the P2P cycle. So P2P cycle is a mix-up of SEM and finance, wherein the purchase order and these things comes under SEM, and
Mm.
invoices, payment, and these parts comes under our finance.
Sir, also in today morning you used the responsibility full of post HRMS, post
Yeah,
inventory. So after
yeah.
creating a business group, whether I have to create a responsibility for each and every
Yeah.
subunit, sir.
Subunit in the sense you are saying for each module.
Yes, sir. For each module, I have to whether I have to create a
Yes.
responsibility.
Yes, yes, you'll have to create separately for each of the module. So in real time, what will happen is that not only for each module, also for the
Mm.
individual user, based on the access that we will have to give to each user, so we will create multiple responsibilities. So for
Okay.
example, we have a payment user wherein one particular person will do the accounting work, and the
Mm.
other particular person will do some sort of reporting and the analysis part, and he will report to the top management, the CFO. Okay,
Okay,
so in
sir.
this case, what I will do is that I will customize my menu, and I will say that this particular user will have access to create journal entries, and he will
Mm.
also have access to view the report. And but whereas the top guy, that is his superior, will have access
Mm.
only to certain activities, that is running the trial balance and the other things, or view this information, because basically he's not the one who is going to create the transaction, so we will restrict there, and CFO and other persons we will give only the reports. So similarly, we will customize. So accordingly, we will set up or we will create individual responsibility for each one of them.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is only for GL. So similarly, we will create for the other modules as well.
For HRMS also, I have to create.
Yes, yes, yes. A
Okay.
similar process.
Then after creating only, I have to work within this responsibility. I have to create all the
Yeah,
job position.
yes, correct. So
Okay, sir.
this responsibility which we were working is super user. So super user will have basically the access to set up and do any sort of transaction. But whereas user will have only the limited access for any certain transaction. Let's say one particular user will do only the what you call the masters. He will handle the employee master. So we will not
Mm.
give setup and we will not give the payroll processing, all those options. We will give only the entry of employee screen to him. So other options will be hidden for this
Okay.
particular employee. So this way we will
Super
segregate each one of. Yeah,
super is in the sense corresponds to Vision Enterprise. HR. Is that,
yeah,
sir?
yeah. Super user is a generic term used by Vision instance. But if you look at super user, it means that this user can do both the transaction and the setup. Basically, he can control the overall module. So that is the understanding.
Okay. So other another question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for considering the interview, if there will whether there will be questions for me from P2B cycle, PTP cycle.
No, if you are going as an HRMS or the payroll consultant, you will not have questions on P2P. So this is just for understanding to
Okay.
have these things, because what will happen is that you have this one. So rarely it will happen, but some cases it might happen that this expense report of employee might want to be interfaced with AP module. So in this case, you will have to understand the basics of finance also. So to
HRMS
have this
also.
knowledge, yeah,
So there will be contact for HRMS within AP only, no? Because
AP
salary
was,
will be amount payable only, no? Salary comes under amount payable only, no? Payroll.
it is payable only, but it will not interface to our payable. Instead, it will interface to GL. Because
Okay.
whatever process that we are doing, so that should be enough for in terms of payroll and the reporting part. But if
Okay.
we want to take the consolidated financial statement, so that is when we will need this accounts of transaction that we did in payroll. But
Okay.
payment part, if you see, so this will be a transfer, online transfer. So in last
Okay.
class, if you remember, we saw this payroll processing, wherein
Hmm.
we created the bank account. When we are
Yes.
creating the payment method, we attach bank account, and this will
Sure.
take care of the automation of the payment and the other things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that should suffice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything else? Any other doubt?
Nothing, sir. Regarding payroll only, I have to work.
Okay.
But I have sir, other doubts. I will work and inform you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
So, for batch, you have to run, no, sir.
Yeah. Batch. We will have to take it up. I mean, this is the instance that we have. So probably I
Hmm.
should check with the person about the availability of instance, and probably we'll start.
It's not opening, sir. Even the OA form is not visible for me.
Yeah, even for me, it's
Oh,
not opening. It's keep loading. There should be some activity going on for this instance. I don't know. Some issue might have happened. Let me check with them.
okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, probably we can see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, maybe if we don't have anything, we will log off for today. We will join tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Thanks for
Okay, sir.
joining. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thanks.